With Visit, the question we wanted to answer was this: can the experience of buying products online be made more engaging and more productive for the researcher? Right now, the way most vendor sites are set up, researchers visit these sites really just to find and buy a specific product they have in mind. There is very little additional incentive for them to stay on and do much more. So how do you make these site visits more productive and engaging for the researchers, and more frequent for you? We believe the answer is by giving them tools that support their task at hand and their actual research and discovery work.
Imagine a scientist working with the HIF1 gene and a tool that shows her all the pathways in which HIF1 is known to be involved, or that can show her what cell lines have been used for the study of HIF1, and can also suggest what reagents or kits to use in her experiment. Or imagine the scientist selecting a target protein and a tool that connects him to any insights about this protein that have been shared by his fellow scientists, and that he sees what has been shared through post-it note icons he can click on.
This tool is Visit, but we want to do more, like supporting the collaboration of researchers through sharing, not only of notes, but also the search networks they create with Visit.
And these visual networks can show anything, like which genes are part of a certain pathway, which pathways are implicated in a disease, or the mechanism of action of a particular drug. But they also capture biological correlations that each individual scientist thinks are interesting and may therefore want to share with his peers. So Visit supports that too, through Twitter, LinkedIn, or an email he sends to his friends, which would bring these friends back to your site and through Visit to your product catalog.
It's all about giving value to your customers, going the extra mile, about helping them with their experiments and lab work, with your own products, but also with tools that support their research and discovery work.